Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to make spaghetti bolognese. So this is the most simplest thing ever. This is probably like the most easiest recipe I will show you in this channel because it just needs only a little bit of ingredients and things you need to know. So first I'm going to show you the ingredients. You will need some spaghetti, of course, some beef. I will mince these later. 3 tomatoes or any amount of tomatoes you want. Some minced garlic, some basil just to garnish it at the end, and some pasta sauce. So first I'm going to dice the tomatoes into little cubes. Okay, the tomatoes are done. Let's move on to mincing our meat. I'm just gonna put them sideways together. Okay. So now the meat is finally ready. So now let's go to our cooking process. In a pot, add in some water, and you can now add in your salt to make it more seasoned. And when the water starts to simmer a little bit, you can add in your spaghetti. If the water is hot enough, your spaghetti will start to get soft. So when it's getting soft, you have to stir it until it's kind of curled inside of the pot so you can stir it. And now let's make our sauce. First, you have to add in your oil in the pan, and when the oil is hot, you can add in your garlic and just stir it all up. When the garlic starts to have that smell, you can add in your minced beef and just cook it. And when the beef is all cooked, you can add in your seasonings. I put some fish sauce, some oyster sauce, some barbecue sauce, and some palm sugar. But the seasoning of the sauce is all up to you. You can just add any other ingredients that you like. When your beef is all ready, you can now add in your fresh tomatoes along with your canned tomatoes. Okay, so from 9 to 10 minutes, your spaghetti should look like this. I'm adding some of the spaghetti water because the spaghetti has some starch in it which can thicken up our sauce. Okay, so this looks so good. I want to eat it right now. I have garnished it with some basil on top right here. You can just put it on. It just gives it more color and a little like fresh flavor into it. Now I'm just gonna dig in. Get some of the sauce, of course. Oh my god, look at that. Okay. This is so nice. The freshness from the fresh tomatoes and the richness of the pre-canned tomato sauce. Tastes so nice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.